I didn't hear it beep.
I turned the beep off. Is the little red light on?
It's flashing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my wallet.
I had your phone.
Oh, it's soaked. That's awesome.
Family. Oh, Blackbeard.
How does yours look?
Oh, Blackbeard.
Oh, Daddy!
No. Going through these twisty, windy roads. Are we going? We're going up the mountain, correct?
Yes.
We're going up to Reliance, Tennessee. We're gonna go hang out in the river, right?
Yep.
Or
We're gonna see if we can hear any banjos.
actually, yeah. So what was in Reliance?
Deliverance.
Oh man, you know the banjos?
Squeal like a pig.
Oh, don't go there. Don't go there. So we're going up here. It's my brother-in-law, her sister are coming up here to actually renew their wedding vows. So we're going up there with them and some family. So we're gonna go up there, hang out for a little while, and do a little bit of fishing, right?
I'm not.
Because I got my fishing permit or fishing license. I don't know what it is. It's a 3-dayer thing. So
Wouldn't it be a permit? Because
It's a license. It's a license.
it's a license.
They're called license.
Fishing license. So I am officially licensed in Tennessee
For 3 days.
for 3 days to fish.
We won't be here for 3 days.
And the last time I went fishing, 15 years ago. So.
No, more than that, because Tegan wasn't born.
Oh my gosh, this will be interesting. So let's
Tegan wasn't born.
get up to these twisty, windy roads. Then we will go fishing.
Well, first we have to do the thing.
All the vows. Then fishing.
Yeah.
All right. We'll talk to you guys a little bit.
Daddy used to say that there were people up in these mountains that never come down. That's kind of scary. You don't want to be found by the law. You go up here. Just continue walking straight. You'll be fine. Yeah. Just walk straight. Yes. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Father, and the Son. Yay! Yay! You did it!
Whoa. Whoa. Kind of like it doesn't matter where you toss.
It's gonna go where it wants to go.
I mean, should I stay away from the current like this, or?
No, I mean, if you can get into a little area that's not as swift,
Yeah.
where the bait's at.
Oh. Oh, that was a terrible thing. Oh, dang it. I'm not a good caster, babe. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. Or you want to take yours off?
My shoes are up there. We're taking home a fishing rod?
He gave it to me.
Oh.
You got a lot of water in there, babes?
Mine's not that bad. It's
First
like on
time
my hip.
us wearing waders.
Oh,
And we may have fallen in the water. But, yeah, hey, that's the way it goes, right? Bunch of newbies, right?
yeah. And I have 2 pairs of socks on.
Wait till you see all the water in mine.
Oh my gosh.
Not too bad, right?
I didn't hear it beep.
I turned the beep off. Is the little red light on?
It's flashing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my wallet.
I had your phone.
Oh, it's soaked. That's awesome.
Family. Oh, Blackbeard. Blackbeard. Daddy!